My name is Wang, and my Chinese name is Tsun-Hsuan. And currently a rising third-year PhD student in MIT CS department. And I'm in a Professor Danila Ru's group, and our group works on robotics. And my research focus is on machine learning and robotics. One of the projects I'm working on is in a collaboration with Air Force. And in that project, we try to come up with a flight control suite that allows us to investigate or understand the decision-making of AI agents. And our goal is try to use that AI agent as a guardian for pilots. And there's a representative task in that environment called Canyon Run, which is where you need to fly a fixed-wing vehicles in a canyon. And there are some projectile on the top that kind of mimic missiles. So you need to not only navigate yourself in a very narrow canyon, but also you need to dodge the projectile shooting targeted toward you. Like if you see the Top Gun Maverick. So they have a scene where they try to fly in the canyon in a very fast speed, and then they need to at the same time afford the G-force, and then they need to get to the goal in time before. So this design choice comes out before the Top Gun movie. So I find when I actually see the movie, I feel this is an interesting coincidence. At least for a lot of safety critical applications like this kind of flight control, I think the point is not to recreate another AI agents that can take over human control and replace human for different kind of flight mission, but rather they kind of provide a way for to augment the situation awareness of the human. So we talk to the pilots, and the first things they mention is they are super reluctant to that's some kind of machine, even though it's a really good machine to take off their control at any moment when they are flying the vehicles. And secondly, they are kind of good with working with the AI agent. So in that case, what our goal of this project is try to create some kind of guardian that allows the AI agent to provide additional, So imagine the pilot is under some kind of cognitive overload situation, and the AI agent can provide more information or some kind of abstraction of environmental status to the pilot. So the pilot can still do a more high-level decision making with more abstract informations. I think in order to make people or end users to actually trust the product that's in the back end run by some kind of AI or machine learning methods, they got to know some levels of decision-making process that is executed by the machine. So in that case, there's a very vital area in machine learning called interpretability and explainability, where you not only want to make your, let's say, neural network models to give your correct prediction, but also you can somehow extract the decision-making process of that neural network.